here we have Rich, and about a year ago he came in with some arthritis shoulder pain, and we also worked on your lumbar spine, correct?
Right.
Degenerative disc disease. And you also had some drop foot damage
Right.
to the deep peroneal nerve,
Right.
probably coming from the nerve root compression in your spine.
Mhm.
Right? And then we've been working you for a year. We decided to do laser stem cell signaling. We got some improvements, but we wanted more. Then we tried the high dose platelet-rich plasma.
Mhm.
We got a little better, but I think third time's a charm. It was a third procedure with the high dose mesenchymal stem cells that did the trick. So how many percent better do you feel overall from last month when we did it?
I think it worked really good, especially with my leg and the drop foot.
Okay.
The shoulder, still, the arthritic condition just takes time.
How's range of motion now?
Oh, no, I have good range
Oh,
of
that's
motion.
good.
Yeah.
And the back pain's a lot better?
And the back pain's a lot better, yeah.
Okay.
And it's more, putting weight on my arms when I put my body weight.
Okay.
Which
And show me what was your drop foot like before? So kind of mimic.
Yeah, before I couldn't even lift the balls of my feet off the ground.
Okay.
And now I could. That's like
Show me your good knee, your good foot,
Okay.
and your bad foot. Yeah, you can almost go all the way up.
Yeah.
Go ahead and have a seat.
And it was funny when I
Push up. That's full strength. Push up. Yeah, you're like 80% full strength.
Yeah.
Let me check your reflex. I'm gonna have you hold this for me and concentrate on the feet. Okay, go ahead and sit back so your feet are off the ground. All right, let's see if we get that reflex back. Relax. So we want the toe to flick like that, right? Let's see. Relax. Let me control. It's a little there.
Yeah.
So that's the last thing we got to work on. Let me see your walking. Go ahead and walk out the door. Let's see if you get dorsiflex. Now you have that heel strike.
Yeah.
Can you kind of mimic what was it like before, like flopping?
Yeah, before it would, when I go, it would kind of go
Flop.
like that. Yeah.
And now how can you walk now?
Now I could.
Yeah, you got the heel strike. It doesn't sound like you're walking down the hallway going to the principal's office, right? Flop, flop.
Flop, flop, right.
So how many percent improvement would you say your drop foot has recovered?
70.
Yeah.
70%.
And how long did it take about?
Took this whole year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So slowly but surely what happens is the deep peroneal nerve is what caused that drop foot. If the nerve root injury is in the lumbar L4-5, L5S1, this nerve's 2 to 3 feet long, and it took about a year to regenerate back, but now we got it back. We were walking normal. Congratulations.
Yeah. Still downhill, especially walking downhill. I could hear it.
Exactly, yeah.
But or if I'm trying to walk really fast or something.
Yeah, so what percent better do you feel now? Say.
I feel like 70%.
Yeah. That's incredible.
Yeah.
All right, we'll keep on monitoring your progress, and you're taking your peptides. It's going to help as well, okay?
Yeah. One thing that I noticed is it's not a lot, but because I like to try to do athletics sort of stuff.
Yeah.
If I tried to jump with just that foot, I have no lift.
Yeah. So now that the pain and the range of motion and feeling is back, now we'll work on your strength. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Congratulations.
Okay. Thanks.